the selfish robot who found friendship. In a colorful park filled with cheerful robots, little Bobo liked to keep to himself, watching others play together.
Why should I join them? I'm just fine here on my own.
One day, a small robot with a broken wheel asked for help, but Bobo turned away, preferring his solitude.
Can you help me, Bobo?
I have my own games to play.
Later, Bobo tried to build a toy rocket alone, but it was harder than he thought. He felt frustrated without anyone to help him.
Why is this so tricky? If only someone would help me.
Bobo watched as two robots worked together, building a tower quickly while laughing and sharing ideas.
Maybe teamwork makes things easier?
Seeing their joy sparked something in Bobo. He started to wonder if helping others could be fun too.
Maybe I should try to help someone after all.
Bobo saw the small robot struggling again and decided to offer help.
I can help you fix your wheel.
Together, they fixed the wheel quickly, and the small robot's face lit up with happiness.
Thank you, Bobo. You're the best.
Feeling happy, Bobo joined the other robots in their games, laughing and playing as part of the team.
This is so much more fun together.
Bobo made many new friends that day, working together to create a giant robot sculpture.
We did it together. Look what we made.
Bobo realized that with teamwork, they could accomplish amazing things. He decided to help organize a fun park event.
Let's plan a game day. Everyone can join in the fun.
Bobo started sharing his toys and encouraging others to do the same, spreading happiness all around.
Let's all play together with our toys.
As the sun set, Bobo felt warmth in his heart. He knew that helping others brought joy to everyone.
I'm so glad I made friends today.
From that day on, Bobo learned that being selfish was lonely, but being a friend brought happiness and fun.
Can't wait for more adventures with my friends tomorrow.